Then I had to sit and really think about what is going on in my life. I felt the weight of the world for me to do great.
Hey, what's up, 1428 family? It's Dondre Brown here to help you invest in your family, your finances, and your future. 2020 is coming to an end, so let's start to prepare for 2021. I'm learning so much through investing. I'm learning through some failures, I'm learning through some loss, but I'm also learning through some wins and some successes. So one of the things that I've really been trying to focus on in investing is how to identify leads, how long to stay in, when to take profit, all those things. And I think so far things have been going fairly well. The other thing is penny stocks. We know that penny stocks are highly volatile, and one of the things I'm always trying to learn is how to engage in that volatility, right? Or that volatility. So I want to show you a play that I looked into. This was in November. I had bought a lot of shares in this play. It's AG Eagle Aerial Systems. I have bought a lot of shares. I think I ended up buying like 329 shares of this play. And the crazy thing about it is now when you go and look at it, I think I bought it at like $2.52 or something, and now it's at $7, 329 shares. I think I had panicked and sold at that point because I was trying to look for a quick profit, because one of the things that I'm trying to learn through the volatility is how long to hold, when to hold, but that's also doing your due diligence and research with these companies. So again, my goal is to be transparent with you to, as you're seeing me learn, develop, manage my emotions, my mindset, my momentum, and my money. This is real. So I can say this may be a play that I'm definitely adding to my watch list. I'm gonna hit the check at the top and add to my watch list and maybe jump back in, because if I would have held this play for a month, I would have had a lot of money. I'd have had $5 per share on 329 shares. So I don't even want to do that math right now, but that would have been a decent amount of money for me in profit. But again, I'm not looking at that as a moment of sadness, right? A moment of learning and growth, because you're going to hit plays like that, especially when you're in penny stocks and you're trying to get profit and trying to get out. They may run up, they may run down, but that's the cost of doing the penny stock day trading approach. But what I also wanted to do was talk to you about finding leads for penny stocks. One of the things that I have been learning is the different trends in the market, right? We already know that EV is a huge trend right now in the market. And when I say trend, there are some EVs that are going to stay and going to flourish in the market, but there are also some that are not, right? So how do you decide what those are going to be? How long do you stay in? When you take your profit? Those are always questions that you should be asking yourself. The other thing is I have learned that the biotech area is also an area that is growing vastly, right? I've seen a couple plays that took off. I was also in a play that took off, and long story short, biotech stock are some of the plays. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you two biotech stock. They're highly volatile. So what I mean by that is there's a lot of risk, right? You could gain a lot, you can lose a lot depending on how you engage in these plays. But I think it's an opportunity that you should definitely consider, because if they hit, you will be able to make a lot of money. So let's jump in. So the first one, let's go back, is ticker symbol PTN, which is Palatine Technologies. So right now this sits at 56 cents a share. It closed out up, but let's check out some of the details of this stock. So first and foremost, some analysts consider this a 1.3 buy, right? It's almost a very strong buy by analysts, but I always tell people to do your due diligence. They have a price target of this at $2.33. But let's look at some of the things that this company does. It specializes in pharmaceutical company, or it's a specialized pharmaceutical company that develops targeted receptor specific therapeutics for the treatment of various diseases in the United States, right? They have some drug development in the areas of dry eyes, obesity, and congestive heart failure, right? This is another stock, again, in the biotech world that is focusing on trying to find treatment, cures, drugs to some of these common diseases and issues that we face. So of course, that in itself has to go through certain approvals of the drugs, and that's a process. So let's go to tip ranks and see what other analysts say they consider it a strong buy. They have the price target at $2.17 on average, right? On the high average is $3, right? So you're looking at a 284% to 300% increase, right? So again, it's highly volatile, and this is a 12-month run, right? So you're not getting in and getting out on this. You're looking at it to run in about 7 to 12 months. So again, right now it's sitting low at 56 cents a share. So if that is something that you engage in and you want to put about 200 shares in, 100 shares in, maybe 300 shares in, and just let it ride, that may put you in a position to have a huge gain, because again, it's at 56 cents. Again, for me, I'm definitely going to continue to engage in some of these penny stocks to see how they run. And if I have to lose $100, $200, that's okay, because I always like to say scared money don't make money. And in some of these spaces and cases, I want to have a varied approach to investing. I want to have my long-term plays. I want to have my short-term pop plays. So those are things that I'm definitely going to invest in. But let's jump on the other one. So the other one was Mustang, ticker symbol Mbio. So this is Mustang Bio. Clearly something went wrong. Okay, there we go. Mustang Bio. It's at $3.36 right now. Let's see what this company does. Analysts also consider this a strong buy, not as strong as PTN, but still a very strong buy. So you should definitely consider that. And let's see what this company does. So it's in a clinical stage. A biopharmaceutical company focuses on translating medical breakthroughs in cell and gene therapies into potential cures for hematologic cancers, solid tumors, and rare genetic diseases, right? This is another company that has some trials out there. Do your research on this company, see where some of their trials are. I think they're in like phase 1 and 2 in some of their areas, but it's an opportunity to get in low and then put yourself in a position to have a huge gain. Let's look at what TipRank has to say about this one, MBIO. So TipRank has this price target, an average of $10.75, on the high end $13, right? So you're looking at an increase of about 219% to 300% increase. Again, about 12 months, a highly volatile stock. So I'm not saying go jump in. You're going to be able to make some quick money. This may be a play that you get in early at $3 and $3.26, which if you buy about 100, 200 shares, you're looking at about $300, $600. If you're in a position financially where you can put that money into the space and can afford to either profit from it or lose it, it could be a situation for you. But again, the biotech stock is something that is vastly growing as well. So you want to be able to get on those plays early and ride them up, because I've seen a few do that, and I don't have the fear of missing out anymore. I just want to be able to find some of those leads early on and ride those waves, because the reality is when you're in the stock market, you're not in it to just watch everything happen. You're in it to win, right? You're in it to get some profit, get some gains, get some wins, and then hopefully share those with people. So again, hopefully you like this channel. Penny stock plays are important. Some of us may be in positions where we can't invest in some large companies. If that is you, that's okay, right? Start small, dream big, start small, start saving your money, start budgeting, start building that money, that momentum. It's especially that mindset for 2021, but those are some penny stock plays. Please leave in the comment section other penny stock plays that you think we should consider moving into 2021. If you like this video, I'm going to continue to drop videos for the next few days all the way up until Christmas. Just let me know what you like about it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, follow me on my social media, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.